In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Redmi Watch 4 to Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Redmi Watch 4 or any other model of Redmi Watch, you can easily connect it to a Samsung smartphone. To do this, you will need to download a specific application. That application will allow you to establish a connection and change various settings about your smartwatch. So the application is going to be Mi Fitness, also known as Xiaomi Wear. So open the Google Play Store on your Samsung device and download it now. I recommend downloading this before you actually set up the watch. It is going to speed up the process. As you can see in here, you will be able to view the various different settings about the watch, health data, and so on. So once you have the application downloaded, if you power on the watch by pressing the side button here, you will be guided through the process. You will have to set up the watch with things like your language, region, proceed through the setup, and eventually you will get this message. Download Mi Fitness on your phone to connect your watch. So this is why I told you to download it before starting. Now, if you swipe up here to scan, you will be given the QR code, and this QR code is going to be used to connect the smartwatch to the Samsung smartphone. So now open Mi Fitness, sign in with a Xiaomi account. If you don't already have one, you will be guided through the process of setting it up. And now you can either go over to the device tab, or if you are prompted to add a new device during setup, simply choose the option to add device. So either go to add device and choose the Watch 4, or if you see the scanner option, this will also work. So you point your camera towards the QR code. So it is either going to be detected because you scan the QR code or because of sheer proximity. So if the watch is close to your smartphone and they are positioned together, they should be able to automatically detect each other. Then the Watch 4 will be connected to your Samsung device through the Mi Fitness app. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Redmi Watch 4 to Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.